Hello, good morning. My name is Brigitte Mendoza Perez. Is tax 8, English 5. Speech change your eating habits, change your life. Today I want to invite you to stop thinking about unhealthy eating habits. I know that changing is easy, but continuing to eat fast food every day is not as beneficial as keeping a balanced diet. Eating healthy is not as hard as many people think, not as boring as some make it seem. Some people have tried to change their habits and they have discovered that having more energy and feeling better about the same have been one of the best decisions of their lives. I did it and I succeeded, and many others have too. But it's time to act. We should stop thinking of eating only for pleasure. Eating can be a pleasure, but it should also be an act of self care. Some wine made me try a quinoa and avocado salad, and since then I've learned to enjoy more natural foods. I even be set healthy meals without asking for them. That shows that even those who is expected it have managed to change. I know that leaving behind processed food is not as simple as it seems, and many people hold onto old habits without thinking about the consequences. Others simply can't face up to the reality of what they eat. But we must to eat. Eating well is as expensive as many people think, nor complicated as we're led to believe. Beside, the benefit of eating healthy is just as clear as the damage caused by poor nutrition. Do you really want to keep risk it getting sick, or would you rather start taking care of yourself? I encourage you to start today, not tomorrow, not next week. Starting to eat well is a decision that can change your life. If it is a habit for you have someone help you prepare your meals. Okay, as a approach to teach you how to cook healthy food. My parents used to eat healthy, but they've already changed, and so have I. You may not have tried enough healthy options yet, neither have months of us. A lot of companies have started to create healthier versions of the products, and some restaurants have even included nutritious meals on their menus. I know that living behind processed food is not as simple as it seems, and many people hold on to old habits without thinking about the consequences. Consequences. Starting to eat well is a decision that can can change your life. Remember, you are not alone, and change is possible. Ask a friend to teach you how to cook healthy food. Remember, you are not alone, and change is possible. Do you really want to keep risking getting sick, or would you rather start taking care of yourself? Thank you for listening.